morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons the plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. For today's journey, we got a house that froze up and has no water. Stay tuned and we'll see you when we get there. Alright folks, here's the culprit. Oops. Just a crawl space. We got roughly 16 to 20 inches of water in here. And we're going to pump out to figure out what's wrong with the plumbing. Evidently it froze up, and we're going to get the pumps going to figure it out. Legend status. Get lucky in this one. And you can see where all the stuff came floating out, all the insulation came out the door. Alright, so, oh, this ain't bad. No. But there's definitely gonna be broken pipes in here too, unless it's leaking over from that side. Yeah, it's concrete floor. Okay, so we'll get this side pumped down and fixed up. And do I see fittings blown apart over there? There's a red pipe hanging. That's the pipes hanging. Yeah. Yeah. Did that come floating out?
I mean, I guess so. All right, let's bring it out.
Man, it's just trash. All right. Okay. We're going to check the clock here for a minute. Roughly, it was at the top of the concrete, so we'll get a feel of what it's going to be in 10 minutes. All right, folks, the pumps are running for 10 minutes. As you see, we're barely putting a dent in it, so we're going to come back here in a couple hours, let this thing run. And this thing's pumping out still this way. Okay. All right, folks, you can see this, right? It's been 4 hours since we've been pumping. It's only dropped 4 inches. So I had to relocate the hose and extend it to out front, and it's going out the street. So we're gonna let this run for another 2-3 hours. I'll probably shut it off over tonight, maybe. Or come over here tonight, maybe, I don't know. We'll think about it later. But we ain't getting nowhere with this. Pump out, about a minute. All right, folks, the water's on now. And for you novice plumbers, I'm watching that meter go, okay? So we know there's something on, so let's go check out what's going on underneath the house. Stand by. All right, as you can see and hear, there's some water back in the corner leaking. I just ran inside, everything's good, and Angel's gonna shut the water off. So, let's go see what we got here, folks. I was told the water was here, and it's on, and guess what? It's an outside shower, or outside hose bib. The water is now off, now we gotta make the repair. We got everything on. It froze up because the crawl spaces were wide open. So any crawl space doors made. So I made up some temporary ones. But you know, wind is a killer. Wind is a killer. And lock up your crawl space doors if you have it. And your air grates for your crawl space. See you at the next one. A little bit of a circus there. End up being the outside shower or something. We just isolated it. We're super busy. You saw the crawl spaces. That's what caused it to freeze up. We tested everything up and down, and we're going to make the repair Monday, Tuesday, just because I'm swamped. All right, that's the plan. So we'll see you Monday, and we'll check it out. Until then, have a great weekend.